In this question, we want to get the angles in this triangle ABC. So what we can do is draw the triangle out. We have A, B, and C here. And what we can do is consider the vector AB and the vector AC. And since AB and AC meet up here tail to tail, if I can get the angle between AB and AC, it'll give me exactly that, tail to tail. So what I'm going to do is use the dot product. I know that vector AB can be obtained by subtracting backwards. -6 minus 4 is -10. 1 minus -3 is 4, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Vector AC is 2 minus 4, -2, 4 minus -3, 7, and 4 minus 1, 3. AB dotted with AC is magnitude of AB, magnitude of AC, cos theta. -10 times -2 is 20, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 3 is 12. 20 plus 28 plus 12 is root 132, root 62, cos theta. When you solve for cos theta, you get that theta is approximately 48.5 degrees. We got one of the angles. What we can then do is turn around and consider the vector BA and the vector BC. And by considering those two vectors and doing the dot product there, we're going to have the angle between these two vectors tail to tail. And if we get the angle between these two vectors tail to tail, what we've done is found that angle, which is the angle of the triangle. So BA, 4 minus -6 is 10, -3 minus 1 is -4, 1 minus 5 is -4. BC, 2 minus -6 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 5 is -1. We just have to get the angle between those two vectors. And doing that, we get 10 times 8 is 80, -4 times 3 is -12, -4 times -1 is +4. So the dot product is going to be 72, equaling root 132, root 74 cos theta, meaning theta will have to be 43.2 degrees. At this point, we could obviously just figure out angle C by using the 180 rule. 48.5 plus 43.2 is equal to 91.7, which means that there's going to be approximately 88.3 degrees left over for that third angle. But if we wanted to do it the long way, we could do another dot product situation. But just make sure we use the vectors CB and CA, because we want to do this tail to tail all the time. So CA is 2, -7, -3. CB is -8, -3, 1. And when we do the dot product method of finding the angle, we get 88.3 degrees as the angle. So the angles in triangle ABC are these values right here that we found.